Hey everyone, Model Man Frank here. How you doing today? So what we're looking at here is the EAA bipe with its cowling finally on. Let me show you what's going on here. So let me remove the jewelry box here. What we've got here is a 770 kV motor. I think it's enough power to put it in. The way I ran so there's no access from the bottom here to get to this area. So I had to run a wire down and then run the ESC down through there and then pull the cables over to this side. So to be able to, because there's holes, as you can see. And you can see, actually, you can see my hand and see my finger. Okay, so I was able to get that through. Also, I had to extend the plate for the motor. As you can see, I made an extra plate. I drilled holes matching up the screws, and then I bolted the motor on. Instead of putting the ESC out here, I decided to put the ESC inside the front end of the aircraft. If you notice down here, originally the servo pack used to be over here. I've decided to change it and put it here. Now, when I close it up and I put the canopy back on, or the cockpit area, as we have to call it, there's no interference, really. Plane fits on there perfectly fine. Turtle deck still has to go on, and but everything looks good to me. I'll keep the same servos. Also got to put the wing servos in. Everything will be going in. This plane, I have to build it when I get to the clubhouse to fly it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to build it up and then attach all the receivers. Now, this is not the receiver I'm going to be putting into it. The receiver I'm going to use is the one that's inside the BT9 Yale, because that one's already programmed and ready to go. Also, because the BT9 needs some work done to it. It's such a light plane. It can't fly in windy conditions. The person that owned it before me and actually built the fuselage cut so many holes out of it and made it so light that it literally is like paper thin. So I'll fix it up, get it up and running, and we'll put another receiver in and get it flying. So other than that, that's what's going on in a nutshell. This plane is almost ready to go. And yeah, we'll see how it goes in the next one. So stay in touch, y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Model Man Frank out.